In the last lecture we have seen don't care condition K-map and how to minimize the K-map when you have a don't care condition. In this lecture you are going to see special cases in K-map where you have more than one possible solution. Along with we are going to discuss prime implements in the K-map as well as limitations of a K-map method. Now let us discuss the second case where your K-map will have more than one possible solution. More than one possible solution means both the solutions will have the same number of minterms with same number of literals. We will see with the few examples for the three variable K-map. Let's take a simple example. Sigma m 0 1 2 5 7. Now let us take the simple example sigma m 0 1 2 5 7. We'll try to see possible solution for this Boolean expression. We'll first fill the minterms. If you fill the minterms, 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 5 is 1, 7 is 1. Now fill the minterms, rest all are zeros. Now we are going to form the pairs, quads and octets, and we'll see. If you look at here, there is no possibility for the quad formation, there is only possibility for the pair formation. So we can form these two as a pair and these two as a pair and this one and this one also as a pair. So you are having total three possible pairs. You are going to get an output y equals, if you take this pair you are going to have a bar b bar. If you take this pair, a of c, and if you take this and this as a pair, a bar of c bar. So you are having total three minterms. Each minterm will have a two literals. The same Boolean function will try to minimize using a different combination of pairs. We will fill the same 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 2 is 1 and 5 is 1 and 7 is 1. Now we will try to see other possibility for the pair formation. If we look at here now, this one and this one can form a pair. Now instead of forming these two as a pair, I am forming these two as a pair and these two as a pair. You can see now for the same K-map we have a different combination of pairs. Now we have a different pairs. Okay, you have changed this pair. See, in the previous case this is along this direction, this pair, now this is along this direction. If you write the output expression for this, for first pair you are going to have a bar of c bar, and the second, so if you take this pair you are going to have b bar c. If you take this pair, a of c. If you look at here, both the expressions we have the same number of minterms. Both are having three minterms. Similarly, same number of literals. If you look at here, same number of literals. That means two literals for each minterm. So that means you can take either this solution as the final solution or this solution also final. Both are acceptable form. Okay. Now we'll take one more example and try to see. Now we'll take the second example. Sigma m 0 1 2 5 6 and 7. First we'll fill the minterms. 0 is 1, 1 is 1, then 5 is 1, then 6 is 1 and 7 is 1. Now we'll try to form the pairs since quad is not possible. We'll make these two ones as one pair and these two ones as one pair and these two ones as let's take one more example. Sigma m 0 1 2 5 6 7. So we'll try to fill the minterms. 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 5 is 1, 6 is 1, and 7 is 1. We'll try to fill the same here. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1. Okay. I'll try to form the pairs and quads. Quad is not possible, only pairs are possible. First we'll take these two as a pair, and these two as a pair, and these two as a pair. So you are having total 3 pairs. If you write the output expression y, for this you are going to have a bar times b bar. For this you are going to have a times c. For this you are going to have bc bar. So this is the one expression. For the same k-map we can form a different variant pairs. We will see how you are going to form. So you are going to form this one and this one as a pair, and these two one as a pair, and these two one as a pair. Now if you write the output expression y, for this pair you are going to have a bar times c bar. For this pair b bar c. For this pair a of b. So if you look at here, both the expression have the same number of minterms, 3 minterms. Here also 3 minterms. So each have 2 literals. Each minterm has 2 literals. Here also each minterm has 2 literals. That means both are acceptable solution. You can take any one of them for the circuit implementation. Now let us take one more example. This is the last example in 3 variable k-map. Sigma m 1 2 4 5 and 6. So first we will fill the minterms. So 1 2 4 5 and 6. Similarly we will fill here also 1 2 4 5 and 6. Okay, now we'll try to form the pairs and quads. Octet is not possible, quad also not possible. We have a possibility for the pair. We'll see how to form the pairs. So these two ones can form a pair, and these two ones can form a pair, and these two ones can form a pair. So if you write the output expression y, for this pair a of b bar, for this pair b bar c, for this pair bc bar. So this is one output expression. For the same k-map we are going to have a different pair formation. I will see this one and this one have one pair, and these two ones can form a pair, and these two ones can form a pair. If you write the output expression in this case, for this pair a of c bar, this will be b bar c, and this will be bc bar. If you look at here, both the expressions having same number of minterms, 3 minterms, 3 minterms. Each minterm has 2 literals. Here also 2 literals. That means both are valid solution. You can take any one of them. So this is all about 2 possible solution for a given Boolean expression in case of 3 variable k-map. Now we'll try to see the same kind of 2 possible solution in case of 4 variable k-map. Let us take the 4 variable case, like 4 variable k-map case, like 2 possible solution. Let's take simple examples. Sigma m 0 1 2 3 4 12 and 13. First we will fill the minterms. 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 3 is 1, then 4 is 1, then 12 is 1, and 13 is 1. Similarly we will fill this k-map also, and rest all are zeros. Now we will try to see the pairs and quad formation. There is a possibility for one quad here, So this is one card. Now you can form these two ones as pairs as well as these two ones as a pair. There is no other possibility. If you write the output expression for this quad, you're going to have A bar, B bar. For this pair, you're going to have B of C bar, D bar. And for this pair, you're going to have AB of C bar. So this is one solution for this K-map. The same K-map can be arranged in a different pair formation. We'll see. This quad is not going to change. There is no other possibility. So this quad will remain same. I think I forgot to fill one here. Let me fill one also here. And if you look at here, now you can form these two ones as a pair and these two ones as a pair. That means you're going to have these two ones as a pair and these two ones as a pair. If you look at here, now you form a different pair formation compared to the previous one. If you write the output in this case, y equals for this quad, you're going to have A bar, B bar. If you take this pair, AB of C bar, and for this pair you're going to have A bar, C bar and D bar. Okay, if you look at here, both the expressions have 3 minterms. This also having 3 minterms. If you look at here, this minterm, this minterm, this minterm have 3 minterms. Have one is one with 2 literals, other two with the 3 literals. Same thing here, one minterm with the 2 literals and rest 2 with the 3 literals. That means both are valid solutions. Both are having same number of minterm with same number of literals. So you can take any one of them as your final expression. Now let us take one more 4 variable K-map with 2 possible solutions. Sigma m 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13 and 15. First we'll fill the minterms. That means 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13 and 15. Now you fill all the minterms. Same you will fill here 5, 7, 2, 3, 12, 13, 15, 8, 9 and 11. So we fill identical ones in both the K-map. Now we are trying to form the pairs, quads and octet. Octet is not possible, but quads are possible. What you do is, first you form these 4 ones as a quad, then these 4 ones as a quad, one more quad, and these 4 ones as one more quad, and these 2 ones cannot form quad, so you can form as a pair. Now you're going to write the expression for this. If you take expression for this first quad, you're going to have A times C bar. For the second quad, you're going to have A times D. For this quad, you're going to have B times D, and this pair you're going to have A bar, B bar times C. Now we'll try to form a different kind of quads by using another K-map. So instead of forming these 4 ones pair, now this 4 ones as quad. Now we're going to form these 4 ones as a quad. Again these 4 ones as a quad, and these 4 ones as a quad, and these 2 ones as a pair. Now if you look at here, we slightly change one quad. Instead of taking this 4 as one quad, I'm taking these 4 as one quad. If you write the expression now, for this quad you're going to have A times C bar. For this quad you're going to have B times D. For this you're going to have CD. For this pair, A bar, B bar times C. So if you look at both the expression, both are having 4 minterms. This is having 4 minterms. And if you look at here, this having 2 minterms, 2, 2, 3. Here also you can see 2, 2, 2, 3. That means both the solution have the same number of minterms with the same number of literals. So both can take as a valid solution for the given Boolean expression. Now let us take one more example. This time we will take the max term pi capital M, 8, 13 and 15. So that means 8 place is 0, 13 place is 0 and 15 place 0, rest all are ones. We will fill both the K-maps with the identical configuration of ones and zeros. That means you are having 1, now we fill both the K-maps. We will try to see how to form the pairs, quads and octets. If you look at here, now we have a possibility for the octet as well as quads. We will try to form the, so you can form this 8 ones as octet first. And these 4 ones as quad. And these 2 ones and these 2 ones as a quad, and these 2 ones and these 2 ones as a quad. So you have covered all the ones in the K-map. Now we'll try to write the expression. So if you take this octet first, so this C and D are eliminated. In this direction you are going to have y equals to a bar for this octet. Now if you take this quad, you are going to have CD bar. If you take this quad, these 2 ones and these 2 ones, you are going to have a bar, b bar here, a bar, b, a b bar. That means b bar times d. If you take this 2 and this 2 as a quad, you are going to have b times c bar, d bar, cd bar. That means d bar. So this is the expression for this K-map. Now we are trying to see this K-map, how we are going to do that. So same, this octet is not going to change because there is no possibility for the formation of octet. This will be as it is. Now instead of forming these 4 ones as a quad, I am going to form these 2 ones and these 2 ones as a quad, and these 2 ones and these 2 ones as a quad. Now there is one more remaining one, so you can form a pair, but instead of forming a pair you can form a quad by making these 2 ones and these 2 ones as a, so this is a new quad which we found previously. We taken to cover this one, this as a one quad. Now we have taken one more quad in the other way around, so that all the ones are covered. Now if you write the expression for output, so for octet y equals to a bar, for this quad b times d bar, and for this octet, for this quad a b bar and a bar b bar. That means b bar times d, and for this quad b bar times c. Now if you look at both the expressions, 4 minterms, both are having same number of 4 minterms. This also having same 4 minterms. And if you look at here, this 1 minterm, sorry, 1 literal, 2 literals, 2 literal, 2 literal, same thing here, 1 literal, 2 literal, 2. That means both the expressions have same number of minterms with the equal number of literals. That means both the solutions are valid solution. Now we'll try to see one more example where you have more than 2 possible solutions. That means you are going to have total 3 possible solutions. Sigma m 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13 and 15. we'll first fill the min terms for which output is 1. We'll just try. 2 is 1, 3 is 1, 4 is 1, 6 is 1, 7 is 1, 11 is 1, 12 is 1, 13 is 1, 15 is 1. So similarly we fill all other. So now we have filled all the 3 K maps. Now we'll try to form the pairs, quads, octets. In the first case I am forming these 4 as one quad and these 4 as another quad. I am taking these 2 as a pair, these 2 as a pair, and these 2 as a pair. Now if you write the output expression for this quad it is CD, and for this quad it is A bar C. For this pair it is B, C bar, D bar. For this pair AB of D. So this is the first possible solution for the given K map. Now we'll try to see the second K map. In this also I am going to form same quad because there is no other possibility to cover these 4 ones. Similarly these 4 ones are, there is no other possibility to cover. Now I am going to form these 2 one as a pair and these 2 one as a pair. In the previous case we consider these 2. Now we are considering these 2 as a pair. Now if you write the expression, the first 2 terms will be same because you did not change the quad, and second 2 terms, if you look at here, this pair will be AB of C bar and this pair will be B of C bar, D bar. This is the second possible solution. Now let's take the third one. In this case same thing, we are going to take the same quad since there is no alternate, and similarly this quad also. Now I am going to form a pair of these 2 ones. Now I am going to form pair using this one and this one. Okay, now if you write the expression for this also, the first 2 terms will be same min terms, and if you take this one, this will be AB of C bar, and if you take this quad, this pair, it's A bar B times D bar. So this is how you are going to get 3 possible solutions. If you look at all the 3 solutions, each solution will have the same number of min terms and each min term will have the equal number of literals. That means all the 3 are valid solution to take it as a solution. Now let us consider the 4 possible solution case in case of 4 variable K map. Let's write the min terms. Sigma m 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We'll try to fill 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, then 9, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Similarly we will fill all other 3 4 variable K maps also. Now we have filled all the 4 K maps. Now we have filled all the 4 K maps. Now we'll try to form the pairs, quads and octet depending on the group of ones. If you look at the K map here, we have a possibility for octet is not possible, only quad formation is possible. We'll take these 2 ones, these 2 ones as a quad. Similarly these 2 ones and these 2 one also quad. So I think there is D missing here. So this is the 2 quad formation. These 2 quad formation is same for all the 4 K maps because there is no other alternate. This is the biggest group of ones, you cannot omit this one. So you have to get the same this quad group in all the 4 variable K maps. That means this is unique. Same thing for this group. That means these quads are same for all the 4 K maps. Now the difference comes how you are going to form this one and this one as a pair, either this way or this way, or this way or this way. So if you start forming in this way, let's first start. I'm forming pair this way and this way. This is the first possibility for the pair formation. In the second case, I am forming these two one as a pair and these two one as a pair. In the third case, I am forming these two one as a pair and these two one as a pair. In the fourth case, I am forming these two one as a pair and these two one as a pair. If you look at here, your quad terms are, quad min terms are same, only you are getting a change in the pair terms. If you start writing y1 for this one, you are going to have expression a bar bc plus ab of c bar plus b bar d plus bd bar. If you look at these two are the quad terms. This is same for all the 4 K maps. If you write it for y2, a bar bc plus a c bar d plus b bar d plus bd bar. Similarly, if you write for y3, a bar cd plus abc bar plus b bar d plus bd bar. Similarly, if you write for y4, a bar cd plus a c bar d plus b bar d plus bd bars. If you look at here, all the 4 solutions have same number of min terms with same number of letters. This means all 4 are valid solutions. So this is how you are going to have 4 possible solutions. In some cases, even your 4 variable K map have 10 solutions, 6 solutions, even more than 10 solutions also. Don't worry about that. You can just cross check other possible solutions whether they are giving the same number of min terms or not. If they are not giving, then you have to check which one is giving the minimum literals with minimum min term. That is the best solution for the given Boolean function.